are going to take a quick look at a Schubert 72-inch Veneer Guillotine. This particular Veneer Guillotine was made in London. We did pull it out of a trade school. This is how you raise and lower your pressure beam. Your pressure beam is basically your rear hold down. This is your knife. This is going to be your pressure beam, and it is a manual on this machine. This is a dual palm operated machine. Let's see if I get a little bit lower. It is powered by a 1.8, almost 2 horsepower, 220 volt 3-phase motor. Again, it is rather compact. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.